order of operations with exponents today. Your homework is going to be all. Okay. So we're going to do 10, 22, 25. Today is order of, operations with, I have it. With exponents. Order of operations with good old exponents. All right, Sophie, so we're moving to this. Okay. What does 5 squared mean? 5 times 5. Very good. And what does 5 times 5 equal to? 25. So the 2 tells the 5 to repeat itself 2 times. So that means 5 times 5. Not 5 times 2. My answer is not 10. Okay. All right. What's 3 squared? 3 times 3. What's 3 times 3? 9. Okay. What's 4 squared? 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. These are the most common ones. These you'll see a lot. These are the most common ones that we use in math. We'll use them in high school a lot more than we use in here, but we will have a lot right now in our worksheet. So now, this is called 5 to the power of 2 or 5 squared. Now, does anybody know what this is called? Yep. So how would I say it? Like, if I was going to read this, how would I read that?
3 triangles. 3 to the power of 3.
3 to the power of 3. So if I were to read this, like, this is how I read this one. 5 to the power of 2 or 5 squared. This I read as 3 to the power of 3. There's another way of reading it, too. I don't know if anyone knows. It's weird. Okay, so the other way of reading this would be 3 cubed. So when you hear the word cube, it means to the power of 3. Just like when you hear the word squared, it's to the power of 2. Cubed is to the power of 3. So this would be 1, 2, 3. Okay. What's 3 to the power of 3?
27.
All right. Okay. 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3. This one needs a little bit of math. So what's 4 times 4? 16, right? And then I got to do 16 times 4.
64.
Okay? You'll have this on your classwork today. So instead of redoing the math, you can look at your notes and go, oh, 4 to the power of 3? I already have the answer, 64. So it saves time. We did the work. All right, 5 to the power of 3. How many times do I repeat it? 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 times 5 times 5. What's 5 times 5?
25.
He's watching cartoons.
It's Mickey Mouse.
Yeah! Your son was caught watching Mickey Mouse videos.
Anybody out of?
Wasn't me.
Who wasn't?
It was Mariano watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. All right. 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 is 25. Then I multiply by another 5. I get 125. Again, these are the most popular ones that we deal with. 5 to the power of 3. So you write it 3 times, then you multiply. Okay? Questions? Okay. You'll use some of these on your classwork. So let's put these into actual order of operations problems. Okay? 5 to the power of 2 plus parentheses 6 minus 7 parentheses times negative 4. Okay, so what do I do first? Parentheses first, because we gotta get rid of the parentheses before we circle. So here, for your test on Friday, that makes me sad. So what would you do? Keep change opposite. So let's do that before I get up there and do it myself. Can you do keep change opposite before I do? Keep change opposite before I do.
6 and 7. Oh yeah, maybe we're watching Mickey Mouse Club.
Nope. Alright, so how do I rewrite this? 6 plus negative 7. Alright? When you rewrite it, you realize like, hey, it's actually going to be negative. It's going to be negative. It's going to be negative. If you don't rewrite it, you might not see the negative. So it's very important that you rewrite it to see the negative. Okay, plus 5 squared times negative 4. So now we can do the circles. We have this problem and this multiplication problem. All right, while I go close the door, can you rewrite what's 5 squared?
Bro, got it wrong. Mario, stop watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Okay, so you're wrong. So at that point, you should be opening up your notebook and realizing, okay, she said it was wrong. Let me go back, figure out where my mistake was. All right, not 21. Okay, what's 5 squared? 25. Plus a negative times a negative. Positive. Positive 4.
Oh, that's 29.
Okay. 35 minus, plus negative 7 minus 2 parentheses squared minus 40. It is very scary, but in the end, not so much. So, what do I do first? Keep parentheses with a keep change opposite, because this makes me sad. So, keep change opposite. All right, how do I rewrite it? Squared. So what's negative 7 plus negative 2? Negative 9. This gives you negative 9. But there's a square on it. So what does that mean? Okay, negative 9 squared means negative 9 times negative 9, right? So be careful. On the test on Friday, I'm going to give you this. This gives me a positive 81, not a negative, a positive 81. So this one problem is all of this, 81. Now, I drop down the minus, drop down the 40, drop down the plus, drop down the 35. Now I'm left with 35 plus 81 minus 100. All right. Sorry, minus 40. Just trying to see who's paying attention. You are. Good job. All right. Finish it. Termínalo. Muy fácil. Everyone should be able to do this problem. Finish it out. Finish it out. Use those fingers. Set it once. Turn around. We'll figure out if you're right or wrong in a second. We should all be able to finish it out. Monday? Alright. Seems like everyone's getting that answer. Is everyone right or is everyone wrong? None of you have the greatest grade to distract each other. Don't distract each other. What do we get? ¿Qué agarramos? ¿Qué agarramos? That's what everyone got. I don't know. Alright. So 81 plus 35, 6, 116, minus 40, I don't know, 116 minus 40, 6, 11, 0, oh, yeah, 76. Alright, one last one before classwork. Might be the easiest. 5 squared minus 4 squared plus 3 squared. I know, right? Alright. You have these answers on the first page of your notes. 5 squared, you rewrote it down. 4 squared, rewrote it down. 3 squared, rewrote it down. So you already have the hard math done. Is that distracting you? No? Okay. So as long as it doesn't distract you, let's keep working. No, because the first number is bigger. Leave them right here.
5, 2 is 55. I got 10. So 55.
Right here.
I got 18.
Got 10. Oh. I don't even know how I got 10. 4, 2.
Porque te ponemos así con marca. Digo, ahí con malla.
64.
All right, 32. I heard 18 or something like that.
18.
All right. So, this, you have it right there. You have it right there. You just could look. Oh, there's my answer. 25. Miles, what's 4 squared? Oh, it's right there. 16. Plus 3 squared. Oh, it's right there. I know, right? 25 minus 16. 9. Plus 9. So 5 squared is 25, right? 4 squared, 16. 3 squared, 9. So 25 minus 16, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. All right. Okay, people in the front, now pass back. So we didn't want anyone getting distracted before. Knead quickly. If you have extras, just keep them there.
Wait, I know this.
Miss, is that supposed to be the Indonesian flag or the Poland flag?
I did. Those are the countries I've been to, and I have not been to Poland.
You've been to Indonesia?
No, those are all European countries except for Mexico.
But what about the one next to Germany and Vatican City?
I think that's Monaco.
Oh, Monaco.
Monaco.
Monaco and Indonesia have the same.
Interesting. All right, number 1. We have a division that we get to circle, and then an exponent that we get to circle. What are the 2 operations we don't circle? We don't circle addition, and we don't circle subtraction, right? Okay. 4 to the power of 3. You have it in your notes. Look at your notes. What is 4 to the power of 3? You have it in your notes. You don't have to do the math. What is it? 64. Good. So if I were you, I would have your notes opened up to this page and your agenda open up to your multiplication table. You're going to need this and your multiplication table. So this is 64 plus, what's 15 divided by 3? 5. Done. It's all the way in the back. All the way in the back. It's easier to go from the back.
Wait, miss, when the number,
Right. None of them you're going to switch. All of them are like second grade subtraction. Okay, number 2. Ruben, no iPad. We're going to do all of this first, right? We're going to do all of that first. So do I do the exponent or do I multiply first? Exponent. Now, we didn't do this one, but 2 to the power of 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's. What's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? All right. Yeah, if you don't show me work and you just copied my answer, my wrong answer, you get no points. You got to make sure you show a trabajo. What number is that? 64. Nope. It's broken. Okay, so what's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4? That's 16. Then I have times 7 minus 28. Now, I'm going to leave it up to you guys. This is 100%. Let me use my agenda and then subtract 28. Okay? So, there's going to be numbers that you need your agenda for. I don't want you to stare at this and go like, agenda, 7 times 16, then minus 28. Okay? Of course, if you know how to do it without an agenda, please do it without the agenda.
How many times did you go down?
What? All your subtractions are easy subtraction. All right, let's get to work and not worry about Sonor's class at the moment. This would be 16 times 7. What's 16 times 7? I got 82. It would be 14 times 14 times 14 times 14. Then you would have like a number in 1,000.
Bro, I don't know how to do it. I've got so many numbers.
116 está mal. 916. ¿Quieres 7 por 16? No calculator, no iPad. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You're the one who asked, not me.
I don't understand. Hey, Chris, I need help. When you were calling, man.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris, I need help.
There you go.
Oh, you put on silent, man.
They're all good. Easy numbers.
Whatever one doesn't have a, no. Huh?
What's 27 plus
Hey, bro,
27?
make sure you keep the door, bro. Someone has to keep that door open. Because or else it's better, man.
Minus. You gotta face your fears.
So you go that way.
What does the 2 become?